You're saying it will be tough for the group to go on, Mr. Raman, your assessment?
No, my assessment is I never use the word war on terrorism. I always said a campaign against terrorism. I always said that the activities of the terrorists, I avoid using the word war. These terrorist activities will go on. If you study the history of terrorist organizations in the world, particularly terrorist organizations which had an iconic head, the death of the iconic head did not mean the end of terrorism, did not mean the end of the organizations. It takes some time. So there have been recently two trends, even earlier before they killed Osama bin Laden. One trend was decentralization of the command and control of the Al-Qaeda because of the surge in drone strikes by the Americans in the tribal areas. This decentralization has been going on for nearly about 2 years now, Yemen, Maghreb, etc., etc. And also this phenomenon of what is now called increasingly leaderless jihad. People are able to carry out acts of terrorism without having an organizational support of an organization like the Al-Qaeda. So we have been seeing recently, we saw it in Indonesia, leaderless jihadi groups which are planning an attack on the Christians on Easter Day, etc. So these two trends will get further accentuated. Okay. So there will be terrorism, but the kind of terrorism which we saw on 9/11, I think is less likely now.
Okay, you're saying the 9/11 type of terrorism is less likely now, Mr. Parthasarathy?
No, I think let's be very clear. The Al-Qaeda by itself is a small organization. Perhaps it's got affiliates in the Maghreb and Yemen and so on. It is really the Al-Qaeda affiliates, which President Obama referred to, functioning out of the AfPak region and the AfPak border. These are the ones. There is Ilyas Kashmiri's 303 Brigade, there is the Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan, there is the Haqqani group, and there is the main Taliban under Mullah Omar. The last terrorist strike in Pakistan, in New York, attempted by Faisal Shehzad, an American of Pakistani origin, originated from the tribal areas. He got his inspiration there and he almost blew up New York. So I'm not sure I buy Raman's argument that that sort of an attack won't take place. Yes, it won't be that dramatic, but serious terrorist threats to the United States and others will remain as long as the AfPak borders remain the epicenter of global terrorism. And let's also not forget, whatever our Pakistani guests may have said, the planning of the terrorist attack by Headley and Rana from Chicago was not just India, it was also Copenhagen. So the activities which Osama was intending to carry out was now being carried out by others, and they are, until the epicenter of terrorism is eliminated from the AfPak region, every country faces the threat of terrorism.
General Malik, will we see the Lashkar now increasingly stepping into the shoes which the Al-Qaeda once had?
Yeah, it's quite possible. You know, the iconic head may be dead today, but the fact is that his message and ideology continues. For some time, it will continue. The other thing is that the whole thing is so decentralized. You have so many other groups which are there with the leaders who have proven themselves earlier. So it's going to be a long fight. And let us not be complacent at all, whether it is Lashkar-e-Taiba, or Jaish-e-Mohammed, or any other movement which is going on elsewhere in the world. So I don't think this is the time for anyone to become complacent. And the impact, yes, it will have an impact on the morale, but the network continues, the message continues. We have to continue fighting to be able to erode all that.
Well, for all your perspectives and insights, thank you very much to all our guests for joining us this evening on what is the biggest story of the moment, Osama bin Laden being brought down deep inside Pakistani soil, the government of Islamabad still in denial, and that's the way it seems it's likely to stay. Let's just hope they don't get rewarded for this denial and duplicity. That's the most crucial thing. But for the moment, to all our guests, thank you very much.